Friends, have you ever struggled with transcribing conversations where multiple people are talking and the text just gets all mixed up? Imagine a system that can automatically recognize who is speaking and give you a clear, structured transcript. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're diving into speechmatics and its diarization technology, a tool that separates different speakers in audio recordings automatically. We'll walk through a practical example using Python real-time code and the speechmatics API. I'll show you how to set it up, run a transcription, and see speaker separation in action. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Guys, most speech recognition systems struggle with one major issue. They can't tell who's speaking. When two or more people talk, everything gets mixed together with no speaker separation. So I'll show you how speechmatics solves this, using real-time speaker diarization. It is a technology that automatically identifies and separates speakers in a live audio stream. We're integrating real-time API and building a voice agent through the LiveKit framework. This setup allows us to create a fully functional AI assistant. It doesn't just transcribe speech, but can also hold an interactive conversation and recognize multiple speakers at the same time. To make it work, we first need to get an API key from the platform. We'll also rely on the multi-speaker adapter, a specialized tool that automatically detects the main speaker as well as anyone talking in the background. The system tags each person with a unique speaker ID, so the AI assistant always knows who is speaking. For the implementation, I use the official speechmatics LiveKit example as a reference. We begin by importing the core modules. LiveKit Agents is used for building the voice agent, and speechmatics handles speech recognition with diarization. OpenAI generates and voices responses, while Celero takes care of voice activity detection. After that, folks, we create the agent session and set up a friendly, conversation-oriented master prompt. The assistant session is built around four main components. Celero VAD detects voice activity, while speechmatics STT with diarization enable transcribes speech and identifies who is speaking. OpenAI TTS is then used to understand and generate responses, and the same system speaks those responses out loud. The multi-speaker adapter wraps around speechmatics STT and formats the transcription with speaker IDs. With the Detect Primary Speaker option enabled, the system can automatically determine who the main user is. Everything is launched through LiveKit in console mode, which lets us test the agent locally using a microphone. So let's run it. I am starting the agent in console mode now, the label appears, and the agent spins up.
Speaker 1 said, "The against. Hello." This example shows how speech segments from the same speaker are accurately transcribed and grouped.
I started with a simple greeting to see how the system picked up and grouped my speech. Then I gave a short introduction so it could show how well it recognizes content, keeps track of a single speaker, and accurately organizes longer phrases. I asked it to repeat what I had said, to check how reliably it understood and summarized information.
Certainly. Here's what you just said about yourself. You introduced yourself as Daniel, a content creator who specializes in creating technical tutorials about artificial intelligence and programming. You mentioned running a YouTube channel where you teach developers how to use the latest AI technologies.
Once that part was clear, I moved on to questions about the technology itself. Folks, I asked what makes speechmatics different from other speech-to-text services and why speaker diarization is so important.
Great questions. Here are concise answers. What makes speechmatics different? Speechmatics offers advanced real-time transcription with support for over 50 languages and accents. It uses deep learning models that adapt to various speech patterns, accents, and noisy environments. Punctuation and formatting are handled automatically, making transcripts easier to read. Why is speaker diarization important? Speaker diarization means identifying who spoke when.
As you can see, guys, the system highlights its key strengths: real-time transcription, precise speaker separation, strong performance across languages and accents, and the ability to handle technical vocabulary without losing clarity.
It's crucial for meetings, interviews, podcasts, and customer service calls where multiple people talk. Separating speakers improves transcript clarity, enables accurate speaker labeling, and helps with analytics, e.g., measuring talk time. Would you like to hear more about language support, accuracy, or real-world use cases?
What can I say, my friends? Speechmatics showed consistent accuracy, clear speaker tracking, and stable real-time performance throughout the entire demo.
Thank you for exploring Speechmatics features. If you have more questions in the future, feel free to ask.
The process runs in real time with minimal latency, essential for live use cases like meetings and customer support. Once the audio stream ends, we see that the real-time transcription has completed and the speaker diarization has been successfully applied. So here's the takeaway, folks. Speechmatics makes transcribing conversations with multiple speakers much easier and more accurate. It separates each voice, producing a clear and organized transcript for easier review and use. You get all the details, including who said what, timestamps, and confidence scores. It makes reviewing and analyzing your audio much faster and more reliable. The system also works with multiple languages and handles a wide variety of accents, so it's versatile for almost any situation. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.